I'm gonna try to record this. This is a 1982 Chevy K10 cold start, but I'm on selfie mode on my phone because my phone went in the pool and only the selfie camera works now. So there she is. I hate directing the phone like this. 1982 K10. This is gonna be cold start video. It's not that good of a cold start video. Here, let me put you right. Is this the exhaust? That's the exhaust. Okay. Cold start. There you got it. When it died the first time, it's because I pumped the gas and it was cold. So, 1982 Chevy K10 cold start.